And so this presentation is all about the things we have learned, the 7 things we have learned along the way.
Great.
And mostly it's the things we wish someone had told us before we started this journey. We had to learn it ourselves. So hopefully now people can learn from us. And when you get to that point, now you know what to do.
So what else should we expect from this first Productized talk of October edition?
For this Productized talk, we will also have Diogo Figueiredo. He's a product manager at Premium Minds, and he will be speaking about how to integrate continuous improvement in product development. But right now we're focusing on talking to Rodrigo, so see you there. We know that you've been part of OutSystems for a certain period of time.
Yeah, I've been here for 17 years.
17
I'm
years.
part of the founders team, and I've been here since the very beginning.
The very beginning.
So it's been a very exciting journey. We were actually targeted as the leader of the local market, and of course that got us a lot of attention from customers, from prospects, from everyone, and it allows us to have this investment round. Which is very exciting because now it means we have the means to actually invest in growing the company and to be successful, and to use it also to invest in the product to make our customers successful.
Can you talk us a little bit of what people can expect from your talk?
Sure. So the idea is, with all these capabilities now, we need to grow really fast, and that's the challenge for every area, in particular for the product area.
Yeah.
And so this presentation is all about the things we have learned, the 7 things we have learned along the way.
Great.
And mostly it's the things we wish someone had told us before we started this journey. We had to learn it ourselves. So hopefully now people can learn from us. And when you get to that point, now you know what to do. So I think this is going to be a really exciting event. It's going to bring a lot of experience from product management and how hypergrowth has an impact in your lives and what you can do to be successful when you are at a stage like this. So I hope you're going to enjoy the talk, and I hope to see you there.